Hi guys, so it's it's 8 night at night. Actually, yeah, past 8. Guys, can I tell you, I'm one person who love eating weird food, like weird combination, right? Like I can eat sweet things with salted things. Am I making sense? Like, and I wouldn't have a problem with it. If this milk becomes too hot, it'll be a problem. I hope my phone is not picking up my mom talking in the background because she's talking over the phone in the background. But I love eating weird things. Like I can eat cornflakes with avocado. Yes, and people will find it weird. Like you judging me right now, finding it weird. I can do it. I should check this phone. This one is low battery. So right now, okay, let me know firstly if you'd love to see my weird combos that I find interesting and find. I know most people don't like it, but there are people like me maybe who likes food, who love eating, and they don't mind, right? They love just tasting things, right? And love also combining weird combos that normally you wouldn't find, right? So let me know if you want a series, not a series per se, but then like when I do it, should I feature it on the vlog, video, or whatnot? But right now I'm craving. I don't think this is weird, but if it is, well, I guess it's another weird combo for me. I'm craving, what do you call this? Weet-Bix with yogurt. Not just yogurt, but then I'll make it like a cereal with milk, but not too much milk, and then add yogurt. I've had it with what do you call, all bran with yogurt. Tastes good as well. But right now I'm craving it with Weet-Bix. Oh, I hope it slaps. It'll be my first time trying it. I hope it slaps because literally it's like I'm craving something like a dessert, like a sweet thing, like, you know, I don't know, like my cravings are really weird. My eating right now is crazy. Like I'm a person who doesn't normally finish a bag of chips, right? Or a slab of chocolate. But lately, I don't know why. But like, oh no, 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 no. Okay, yeah, but then lately, yeah, I've been just eating like that. But anyway, let me do that and I'll show you.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract girl, baby. In the meantime, hope you doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know.
I think it's better now. Remember guys, I said I was gonna show you how my hair looks. This is what we have. This is what we're working with. So yeah. Bye guys. I wanna bath now and wash my hair. I'm hoping my hair will dry because I don't do hair dryer. Oh child, no. So I'm just gonna let it air dry before I go to bed. Right now it's like 6:36, so hopefully maybe by 9 my hair will be dried up. But my hair is growing guys. I'm happy. see the dress down here? Those things that I told you about. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sure you can see. You saw me running with on the table. Guys, I thought I was gonna do my nails. Unfortunately, I don't have time. Tomorrow I have to do my nails. Oh, yeah, Pella. Let me take another one. Okay, this one. Oh. How do I open it now? Yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. I'm coming. Guys, sorry. Oh. It's fine. Banga, my passengers. Hi. So here we just came back from where we went earlier on, as you saw. Can I tell you, we came back very, very hungry, hence why I'm making noodles. I actually had to make my mom too. Turns out she was also very, very hungry. So guys, please cook, okay, before you go to any place, right? Whether it's an event, whatever. Cook, okay? Because the food there from events and functions, they are not as filling. You know, yes, you will be filled by the time you eat, but trust and believe me, by the time you get home, you're hungry again. I don't know what they do. What do they use? What do they do in those places where we eat and then we feel hungry? Again, tell you what, we were so hungry. Like, oh my word, I don't want to even say the word. Like, here, I could kill to have pap and meat, okay? But unfortunately, we didn't even have any leftovers from yesterday or anything, so we had to do noodles. Funny enough, we don't even keep bread in our household because most of us do not have bread. Mostly, we usually eat baked goods like scones. Yeah. Bye. I'm just gonna take a shower now. I'm just gonna take a shower now. So what is this? Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now. So I'll talk to you guys later. Alright. Yeah, after showering, I'll then talk to you guys.